In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com for setting up your content calendar. This tool is wonderfully versatile and a great asset in managing and streamlining your content plans. Let's dive in and explore how to set up a content calendar using Monday.com. First, we need to navigate to Monday.com. If you haven't already, log into your account where you can access all the wonderful features and templates this platform offers. It's a user-friendly interface designed to keep you organized with minimum fuss. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the left-hand side of your dashboard. Here, you'll find a small plus sign or a plus button, usually located in close proximity to your existing boards and workspace areas. Click on this plus sign. This action will allow you to add a new element to your dashboard. It's the gateway to all kinds of planning and organizing possibilities within Monday.com. After clicking the plus sign, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Board. Now, this is crucial because boards on Monday are akin to your planning canvases, where all projects can be tracked and visualized. They are central to everything you'll do within Monday.com. Now that you've clicked on Board, you'll be met with a pop-up offering different setup options. Look for the option that reads, Start with a template. Templates are pre-constructed layouts that make life so much easier, offering structures tailored to various project types. Click on Start with Template to keep moving forward. Once you've chosen to start with a template, a search bar or window will appear. In this bar, type in Content Calendar. Monday.com provides an extensive range of templates, but searching directly ensures that you find the exact one you're looking for without getting sidetracked. After typing in Content Calendar, a list of results will be displayed. Browse through these, find the template name that suits your needs, and simply click on it. This should mostly be towards the top, given our precise keyword search. Once you've selected your desired template, you need to click on Use Template. This will populate your new board with a variety of columns and items specifically tailored for managing content. This can include timelines, statuses, and other parameters essential for effective content planning. Congratulations! You now have a content calendar set up in Monday.com. From here, feel free to customize your calendar to fit your specific needs, adjust deadlines, assign tasks, and track progress effortlessly. Incorporating Monday.com into your workflow makes organizing your content strategy not just possible, but enjoyable and efficient. Thank you for joining me on this tutorial, and happy planning!